Hello and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today I'd like to show you an extended pattern for the minor pentatonic scale and for the blues scale. Let's start with the extended pattern for the minor pentatonic scale. I guess the most used pattern for the minor pentatonic scale is this one, here in A. And that extended pattern shape sits diagonal across that standard shape. It's about playing actually octaves. Octaves on the guitar, on the standard tuning guitar, are sitting like this. And what now comes in very handy is the correlation between these two strings, the E and A string, the D and the G string, and the B and the E string is the same. It's a perfect fourth. If we now use our roots, our three roots spread over three octaves as orientation marks, we can build up a pattern that's very symmetrical. You have a lot of repetition in it. The A minor pentatonic needs the root A, the minor third C, the perfect fourth D, the perfect fifth E, and the minor seventh G. The root. And now I do not play the minor third C here. I put it here on the A string, 2 frets down. And then I can play here the fourth, the D, and here is the fifth. And now I need the minor seventh, and that I put one whole step under the root. This way I have a small pattern where the root is not the lowest note, but the seventh. You will find a lot of riffs that are made out of this pattern. I now can play the minor pentatonic through 3 octaves. I can exactly repeat what I am playing. Second. And the third. Memorize where the roots are, this here, and play that pattern up and down. This extended pattern is not meant for replacing that regular pattern that a lot of cool blues licks you can only play in that pattern. You need that pattern for it. It is really meant for being an extension. Besides enhancing the range, you can repeat your licks through the octaves, your ideas. If I, for example, start with an idea here in the first octave like this, I can repeat it in the next octave. And once more, 1 octave higher. And finally, it's only a small step to the blues scale. We just have to add 1 note. For the blues scale, we have to add the diminished fifth, the E flat. And of course, that works in all octaves. Finally, one last tip. If you practice this extended pattern, practice it in different keys. It takes a little more effort to get that diagonal thing going in your head. This was it for today. I hope you're gonna have a lot of fun practicing that extended pattern. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.